photo prints plus app, 1 hour prints at CVS and Walgreens, 1 hour photo prints, you can see 1 hour pickup. Thousands of new pickup locations added to the app in place of Walmart as a pickup partner. You can enjoy convenient local pickup of your photo prints and photo gifts. So you can see all of the sizes available. Fast home delivery photo gifts include mounted prints, posters, and canvas, wallet size prints, local photo print pickup near you, easy ordering, high quality 1 hour prints. Order photo prints at CVS Pharmacy and Walgreens directly from your phone. Paycon pickup at CVS or Walgreens photo center near you. Photo Prints Plus delivers the same high quality prints you always enjoyed now with convenient 1 hour pickup at CVS Pharmacy and Walgreens. Easy ordering. So pretty cool and convenient app which you can try. So just tap get and then just double click to install. So print your moments. Lovely gifts ready today. Simple and convenient. Make more with your photos. Same day pickup. Get it delivered. Super popular app and super easy to use. As you can see in here. So that's what you have. So there you can connect all of these things, and then you can also log in. So pretty cool how you can then just literally select photos and then print to store, and then just whatever, select something, and then okay, so you need to be in US, but that's the idea. Super quickly to print the photo easily.